$100 in? Can we double? Or will we nothing? Let's find out.
Alright, you bastards. How Town. Sahara Gold. This is the one that we were missing from our last Lightning Lane challenge. Same rules apply. Scorpion keys. Doing the progressive betting method. Starting at $2.50. Come on, we got a bonus. Ring-a-ding. If we don't double in this bonus, then we're going to move up to $5 to spend. That's not shit. Why don't you go and land that green kitty? Not because it's $1,000, but just so we can double. Got him. Mer. Ooh, there is $50. Come on, you shit biscuit. Mer. Ooh, she loves to add them. This, oh, this is a double. This is a double because it's $100. You guys are stupid. Stupid kitty. We're ring-a-ding. Oh. You guys, that was a double. Was that a first spin double? No, we had a win before that. That was a second spin double or something. Hot as fuck shit. Ring-a-ding. Hot as fuck. Too much money. Honey kitty. Got it. Ring-ding-a-ding-a-ding. Hot as hell. We got you. All right.
Subscribe to this new channel for additional SD Guide content by clicking here. Otherwise, are you new to SD Guide? Then click here to subscribe to my main channel. Thanks for watching.